Oh, hey y'all, it's Andy. Y'all, it's kind of late at night and I'm bored again, so figure I'm going to start on a new little project I've been wanting to start on for a while. Got this old, pretty old knife from a neighbor down the street. As you can tell, it has seen better days. I'm pretty sure it's U.S. made, so we're about to attempt to clean this here thing up, put a new handle on it, and well, make it usable again. So let's get to it, and I'll see y'all here in just a second. Oh, alright y'all, I got all the handles and a couple of pins out of there, so time to get started on cleaning up this here thing. So let's get to work on that. Oh, alright y'all, it's the next morning. We're back working on this here thing. I got it pretty much all cleaned up last night. If you can tell, that's what it looks like at the moment. Well, I done started with a little bit of 150 grit on this side, taking out all them marks right there. And that's what it's looking like so far, but I got a lot of sanding left to do, so let's get started, y'all. Well, alright y'all, I've got one side of my handle scales glued on. There's the other side right there. I'm waiting for that to dry so I can drill my holes on this side for my pins. Then I'll glue the other side on same way and drill them holes. And well, I'll see y'all when all the glue's dry. Ain't that blade pretty so far, y'all? And yes, y'all know it, I'm using pallet wood. Alright y'all, got both sides of my handles glued on here. As you can tell, this here thing undone. There we go. Got both sides of my handles glued on and holes drilled for the pins. So, as you can tell, I got a little bit of shaping to do on these. So, just gonna be using just my rasp right here for now. Get at least a rough shape on these here handles. So let's get to it, y'all. Oh, alright y'all. Got my handle pretty much rough shaped, and my so-called pins glued in here. These are just some shank nails from some of them pallets that I've been breaking down. So, we're about to cut them off with this here little thing. So, let's get to that. There we go, y'all. I would not recommend doing this in the house. Just saying. Oh, alright, y'all. Here we go. We got a lot of hand sanding to do now. So, let's get started. Oh, I'm starting off with 60 grit. Oh, there we go, y'all. Ain't that handle purty? I like them pins in there too. Just some of them old spiral shanked nails came out of the pallets. Didn't think I could make pallet wood and no nails look that good, now did you? So anyways, time to get a coat of stain on here and then some sealer. Then I'm finished putting a edge on this here blade, but y'all done seen me do stain and sealer and all that, so I'm gonna get that done and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm through. Oh, alright y'all. There you go. What do y'all think? All finished up. New handle on it. I don't know if you can tell or not, but right here, made in the USA. It is a Ontario true edge knife made in the USA. Them handles ain't nothing but pallet wood and some spiral shank nails that I cut down for pins. And y'all remember what this knife looked like when I started. All rusty and everything and about as sharp as butter knife. But it is good and sharp now. Shaving sharp, actually. But anyways, what do y'all think, y'all? I kind of like it. I didn't go for a mirror finish on this because, well, it is kind of pitted a little bit and I'd have to take off too much material. But for a good old work knife, I like it. Oh, and one more thing. I didn't make a video on it, but what y'all think of this little thing? I still got a little bit of cleaning up to do on it, but it's almost done. Made the handle out of, again, some pallet wood. And this is just an old butter knife that I cut down and put an edge on. Yes, I actually got the butter knife shaving sharp too. Anyways, what y'all think of that? Like I said, I didn't make a video on it, but figure on making a few more of these, because, well, I'm going to see how this one works out and holds up, but I wouldn't mind making a few more, and let me know if y'all want to see a video on that. So anyways, reckon that's going to about do it for this here video. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all on the next video.